Hi, welcome to Tricky Hours. I hope you are doing well. In this lesson, I am going to explain the correct usage of modal verb would, which often confuse the speaker in both written and spoken English. For that, you have to watch the video till the end. In the end of this lesson, you will master the art of using would in various situations in both spoken and written English. If you find this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe my channel for more videos relevant to IELTS and grammar. Kindly share, like and pass comments. Would is the past tense of modal verb will. If you are not aware how and where to use will, I recently uploaded a video relevant to the usage of modal verb will. But today I am going to share how to use would in various situations. First one is desire. Would we use for desire, to express our feelings for something. So there are two cases. One, whenever we desire to have something without action. For example, I would like yellow car. So in this case there is no action. I just express my feelings for yellow car. I would like Samsung laptop. So same situation is there. There is no action. So I can express my feelings for something without any action, and I can use would for that. The second use is I would like to buy yellow car. So now in this case I put there infinitive. Action verb is there, buy. So whenever we express our feelings for something, so we can express our feelings in two different ways, with action and without action. So for that I have placed the formula subject plus would like plus object without any action. In that case there is no action. Subject, would like plus object. Simply you can express your feelings for something. In the second case, subject, would like, infinitive and object. So in this case now feelings is there, action is there. Whenever you have feelings for something and included action, for example, I would like to buy yellow car, I would like to eat rice. So in both situations you can use would to express your desires. Offer. Would can be used for offer in present time. Whenever we offer someone to do something. For example, would you like to have more rice? So now I am offering the person. Would you like to stay with me? You can change this sentence structure a bit. For example, would you like me to help you? So now I offer the person, but in a polite way, more polite way as compared to the first two examples. So you can offer someone in a polite way. Would you like me to help you? Would is also used for polite request. For example, would you please give me your number? Would you please tackle this problem? So in this case there are also two cases. First one is would you please, and the second one would you mind. So whenever we use the second one, would you mind, then we will have to put ing verb, like would you mind lending me your car? Would you mind lending me your car? So in this case whenever you use would you mind, then there must be ing form. In first two cases there isn't ing form. So if you use would you please, so there is no need to put ing form. Or if you start your sentence with would you mind, then you have to put there ing verb. Permission. We also use would for permission. For example, would you mind if I called you tomorrow? So in this case now I use second verb and I am talking about future. But in present time we can use we can use this case in order to ask someone, in order to take permission from someone. For example, you are asking someone that would you mind if I came late tomorrow. Now you are asking the person, means permission is there. So in this case you can use would. In this case you can use would, and then you'll have to place the second form of the verb. This isn't wrong, this is according to the rules and regulation of grammar. Would can be used for imaginary situation, those situation which is not real. For example, if I were the president, I would help poor people. So in this case, I'm not president. This is just my imagination. That I'm just expressing. For example, if I had $10 million, I would buy a new car. So now I do not have 10 millions. I'm just expressing my feeling, just sharing my imagination. So would can be used for imagination, and it is also used for second conditional. For example, if you called me, I would receive. So now the person failed to call. Me. So that's why I didn't receive. So I'm just asking him that if you called me, I would receive. So this is second conditional, which is unreal, which is not real, means these cases we express for past time, the time which is already spent, and we are talking about past events. So in that case we use would. Repeated action in the past, we also use would for repeated action in the past. For example, when I was young, I would eat chicken. In daily conversation, would is used for repeated action in the past. There are two usage of this case. First one is that time period is there, which is too much important. For example, I just used it when I was young. So the second one is we use would with action verb, like this, that I would eat. So eat is action verb. Keep in mind, we cannot use would with stative verb like know, want. For example, I was young, I would be upset eating chicken. So in this case we cannot use would. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.